Before I go to bed, I thought I'd sing a little bit of my song I wrote when I was 11. I think I've sang it before on my old YouTube, so I thought I'd sing it on here. It's called To Open Up My Heart, and I hope you enjoy it. Please comment, just subscribe and like. And this song and all my songs I'm doing on here is for children in needs. I'm also selling things to make money to send to children in needs. It's a course of helping children with cancer. So all the likes I get, some people betted me £25 if I get 200 likes. So if I get 200 likes for this video, then that cash will be going to children in needs. So I hope you like it. Here it goes. I'm feeling to open my heart, I will feel safe. It's been a long time and I've been feeling very lonely. Now I'm ready for the greatest time of all. Are you ready for the time to come to you? I will open up my heart, ready for your spirit glowing. I will let you into my mind and into my soul. Pressure my life, caring is my desire. I won't be losing at all, responding to your call. So pressure my love, loving you is my desire. I won't be going back at all, responding to your call. So if I will go, I will bring your desire. I will let you into my mind, into my soul. So helping you will mean everything to me. Hope you enjoyed that. Bye.